Get livinggold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree.
What celebrities and billionaires say about gold. Did you know that some of the world's top investors and even celebrities invest in gold? Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and others have been known to keep a portion of their portfolios in gold. Why? Because gold provides stability when markets are volatile. Stocks go up and down, but gold has stood the test of time. It's why so many wealthy people turn to gold to protect their wealth. If the rich and famous are doing it, maybe it's time for you to consider adding gold to your portfolio with a gold IRA. Learn how to get started by visiting the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com to get a free gold information kit. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.